Will tariffs affect your beloved injectables that you're getting at your favorite plastic surgeon's office, med spa, or dermatologist? So first of all, I do think that in terms of neurotoxin injectables, it depends. What's interesting is that Daxxify, owned by Revance/Crown Pharmaceuticals, is made in Newark, California, close to me. So I don't think the price of Daxxify will increase since it's already made in the US. Other neurotoxins such as Botox, which is made in Ireland, Dysport, which is made in Europe, Juveau and Latiba, which are made in Korea, Xeomin, which is also made in Europe, the prices may increase because these are countries where it's not being made in the United States. Interestingly, as you know, neurotoxins actually have another benefit. Some of the neurotoxins actually have FDA approval for reconstructive or maybe non-aesthetic reasons. They're often used in certain types of muscle spasm, and yes, you can use your health insurance to cover these conditions. Also, I believe certain neurotoxins are covered under health insurance. So generically, if there is a true medical reason as to why you should get neurotoxin, those products will be allowed in the US, and my guess would be honestly low to no tariff. So I think that we are safe in terms of our aesthetic injectables. Now in terms of fillers, it's very interesting because Radius, calcium hydroxyapatite, is actually made in Wisconsin. So since it's a US made product, I don't think it's gonna have any tariff. Most HA fillers are made in Europe, so there's a potential for tariff. Sculptra is also made in Europe, and there's a potential for tariff there. Revanesse is a smaller company that has HA filler. Interestingly, it's from Canada. So because it's under US, Mexico, Canada guidelines, I do think that generically, if there are any tariffs out there, they're gonna be on the lower side for any Canadian product. Now, what's interesting as well is Sculptra does have a health insurance indication. Lipodystrophy or lipoatrophy, those are the two sort of medical conditions where Sculptra is actually covered under health insurance. So again, just like neurotoxins, if there's a health insurance reason, a medical reason to actually get a product, generically tariffs have been none or very low. Hyaluronic acid, Radius, which is calcium hydroxyapatite, Sculptra, which is PLLA, and others, hopefully will be completely exempt from any tariffs. So my speculative guess is that your quest for continue remaining beautiful remain at the same price even with tariffs up. Now, I could be wrong. The entire situation is in flux, and it is only April 2025. The negotiations really haven't started yet, at least publicly. We will find out what happens with tariffs and medical grade, FDA approved neurotoxins, fillers, and so on. If you have any questions or comments, please fire away below. And as always, thanks so much for watching.